The greater the Grinch. That's it, I'm not going.
Hey, what is up, you guys? It is your girl, Kendra Maddox. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this week's episode, you get to watch me transform into the Grinch, honey, because it is the holiday season and we are spreading cheer over here at the Maddox house.
Even though the Grinch was a little bit of a bitch, and he didn't even like Christmas.
Anyway, you guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like today's video, comment down below your favorite holiday tradition, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that post notification bell. That way you never miss when I post a video. Ready to find out how I look like this? Girl, keep on watching.
Viewer discretion advised. Why YUMADDOX, girl?
Alright, you guys, starting off, I'm going to be using my Benefit Brow Pomade in the color Warm Black Brown, and I'm applying that with a angled eyeliner brush. We're just going for a general shape on our brows because, honey, they are never going to be twins. We're hoping to get as close to even as possible. But don't worry, we'll clean them up later. Using the spoolie side of our brush, we're going to go ahead and blend out the fronts of our eyebrows, and then I'm going to just clean that up with a makeup wipe. Just like that. And like this. And like that. Now I'm going to take my Ben Nye paint pot in black, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows, deepening the ends, and then bringing it towards the front. Repeat on the other side and hope for sisters, friends, third cousins. Yeah, we're hoping for third cousins here. Alright, now I'm going to take my Shape Tape Concealer in the color Fair Beige, and I'm going to cut underneath of my eyebrow and fill in my lid just to prep my eyes for shadow. Take a dampened beauty blender and blend that out, girl. We're going to prep our eyes for shadow. We want a nice, smooth, even base to apply our shadow. Yes. Time for eyeshadow. Don't mind my nasty ass James Charles palette. We're going to be using the shade Social Blade and Daddy. Taking Social Blade and using that as my base transition color. Applying that along the base of my brow and out towards the outer corner of my eye. Once you have your shadow laid down, go ahead and take a fluffy brush and blend it out. Blend it up towards your eyebrow. Okay, taking the shade Daddy from the James Charles X Morphe palette and placing that right on top of the shadow that we just laid down, deepening our crease. And just like before, once you have your color laid down, you're going to want to buff out the edges of that line just to try to create a nice seamless transition between the two colors. Now, no shade to our sister James Charles, but I was struggling to get these two colors to blend together. So as you can see here, I'm taking more of that Social Blade color, packing that down onto my lid, and then I'm going to blend the two colors together again with a fluffy brush. And by the end, girl, it looks pretty good. I mean, she blended out pretty good. I think this is as best as we're going to get it for now, but we'll add some more to it here in a second. Okay, now I'm going to take my NYX That's the Point eyeliner in Blackest Black, and I'm going to trace right along that crease line just to create a deeper false crease, and then we're going to blend that out with some black shadow, which is right here. Rinse, repeat, honey. Once you have your color laid down, take a fluffy brush, blend the colors all together, and that's going to give us a nice illusion of a fake crease. Now I'm taking the shade B from the palette and I'm packing that right on my brow bone just to add a little pop of color. Clean it up, Coke Horror. Take a makeup wipe, clean up your eyelid, and prep your lids for your cut crease. Now, taking our Shape Tape Concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and cut that crease just like that. Using the shade B, we're going to pack that right on top of our concealer just to brighten our crease, add a little color, just like that. Time to cut this eye, girl. Taking our NYX That's the Point eyeliner in Blackest Black, cutting our eyelid right along our crease line, and then we're going to clean it up along the edges with a makeup wipe. And don't forget to take your black shadow, placing that right on top of your eyeliner just to deepen the colors and to try to dry it a bit. Take your makeup wipe, clean up those edges, and get into the fantasy, honey. Repeat on the other eye in 3, 2, 1. Yes, girl, get into it. Okay, girl, time for foundation. I'm using my Maron Cream Stick in the color Lime Green, placing that all over my face and blending it out with a beauty blender. I had to use 2 coats of this just to make sure everything was nice and even, and then I'm using a detail brush to line along the edges. Now to highlight, I'm taking my Maron Cream Stick and white, dotting that in my T-zone along the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my chin, blending that out before adding powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, placing that around the high points of my face and blending outwards with a dense, fluffy brush. Time for contour! Today I'm using the Morphe and Lucky Charms collaboration palette, and I'm taking a mixture of the 2 green shades, Leprechaun and Clovers, and applying that in all of my normal areas, just as I would with my regular contour colors. Eyeshadow is not meant to be used as contour, so I was really struggling here. But by the end, I think everything looked really good. So just keep blending, blend, blend, blend. Like I said before, when you think you're done, keep blending. Taking the same cream stick that I used for our foundation, I'm going to cut underneath of our contour just to sharpen the edges. Blend it out with a beauty blender and then set with powder. Taking the shade Leprechaun, I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. I'm going to sharpen the edges, bringing it to a point, and then I'm going to use a dense fluffy brush, and I'm going to use the shade Leprechaun and Clover to blend out the edges of my nose down towards the center of my face. And what do? Blend, 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 blend. Blend some more, blend. Yeah, just keep blending. Bringing back our eyeliner, I'm going to create an obtuse triangle, or whatever this is, on the tip of my nose, and I'm going to fill it in with my eyeliner. Then I'm going to take that and extend it down the middle of my nose, down to the top of my lip. Kind of like that. Okay, here's where things get a little weird. Using our eyeliner, we're going to freehand his nose and cheek shape. Just like that. Now, I'm going to take our James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm taking the shade Daddy. I'm using that along the edges of the lines I made to create a 3D shadow, just like this. Then, I'm going to go in with our black shade and create a little bit more dimension along the center and the outer rim of the lines we just created. And you can see here it's not perfect, but when it all comes together, it does create the illusion of like the 3D wrinkles, just like that. Taking our eyeliner, we're going to create little whisker freckles above our lip and cheek area, just like this. Now, taking our NYX Epic Wear liquid liner in white, I'm creating highlights along the wrinkles of the face, kind of like this. And that just adds a little bit of highlight, brings a little bit of 3D to the face, and makes it look a little bit more cartoony. And just for fun, I'm using my eyeliner here to extend the points of my eyebrows just to add a little something something. Then, to make him look a little bit more angry, I'm just taking my eyeliner and adding some hair strokes along the tops of the eyebrows. Time for glitter! Taking our NYX Iridescent glitter, adding that on the high points of our cheeks, on my forehead, And now I'm taking a chunky glitter from Unicorn Snot and using that right on the high points of my face. Don't forget to prep your lashes. We're using the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara and applying a generous coat. Now I'm taking my Ben Nye paint pot and just lining the bottom of my eyes about 3/4 of the way. Now, clean off only your bottom lip, and I'm going to fill it in with our Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Boss. Time for lashes! Today I'm going to be using a custom double stack, and I'm placing that right in my crease area, just like that. Alright, you guys, this is the completed look. This is our Grinch interpretation. I'm going to go ahead and throw on a wig and do a little something something, and I'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1. Yes, girl, this is the completed Grinch holiday look. Y'all better get into this mug, girl, because she is looking fabulous and festive. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just want to remind you, if you haven't already, make sure to like today's video, comment down below your favorite holiday tradition, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on that post notification bell, girl. That way you never miss when I post a video. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Happy holidays. Mwah.